suppose you have a shop or a practice and you only have customers from your own neighborhood. Is it worth starting a YouTube channel in that case? Or is it better to just hand out flyers? In this video, I'll give you 3 reasons why you should actually pay attention to your YouTube channel, even if your entire target audience lives just around the corner. I'm Elizabeth, the video expert, and I teach you as an entrepreneur how to use YouTube to become the most well-known entrepreneur in your field. Subscribe to this channel because I help you make your business visible to your future customers. If your business doesn't have international ambitions or even national ones because all your customers live nearby, posting videos might seem a bit much, but it really isn't. Because even in your village, there are people searching, and they often start that search online at home on their phones. That search leads people to Google and to YouTube. So you need to be there too, for everyone searching for things like dog tracking training in Twente or couples therapy in Zwolle. Secondly, even if people in your area already know you exist, people usually still check you out online. Are you really an expert? Are you good at what you do? And what about your competitors? When they see you in your videos, they know exactly who they're dealing with. The fact that you're local is an advantage, but it's not the only reason for people to choose you. And thirdly, your YouTube videos, if done well, will also reach people outside your region. Some of them you may never see in your store, but if you also have a web shop, they might end up ordering from you thanks to your YouTube videos. And if they found you on YouTube, sometimes they're even willing to travel for it. Because people always prefer to choose someone they already know, even if that's just from your videos. And then driving a little further to get to you really isn't a problem anymore. The whole world is on YouTube, and that includes your target audience in your own region. So choose to post videos with information they're looking for. And if other people benefit from it too, that's great, right? Giving is always nicer than asking. Do you have a local target audience and a YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments below this video. And do you want to know what you should do on your YouTube channel? Then take a look at this video.